You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be doing a deep analysis on BTC only. And if you look at this chart here, you see something very prominent on this chart right now is the market give a false breakout around this area and then come back right down. So this was a false breakout. You see the market breaks out a little bit around this area with this very bullish candle and then come back right down to this point. One thing very important you have to understand is this. You see, if you look at this chart very well, when the markets go down from this area right down to this level and then come back down with a retracement, go back down again, go back up with this retracement, then this was the level where markets come back down again after this move. So markets move from here to this level, then retrace and come back down again. So when markets come back into this very zone is very important. Markets come back down. That is why I was talking about the 51k and 52k level have a strong capacity to resist the market to the downside. And this is exact same thing we are seeing right now. And then I also talk about if you see a bearish candle on the 1-day chart, if you go back to the 1-day chart here, then that means these bears are still in the market and market will potentially go back into this zone. So that is what we are seeing right now in the market. So key levels that you should be paying attention to at the moment is this. This very strong level is very important. Always pay attention to this very strong level between 46 and 47k level is very important around this area. And then one thing I want to talk about as well is the fact that markets give this very bearish move also signify that the bears, they are still around and they may take control of the market right down. But we must have to see a breakdown, which should be a breakout of this very level of 46k before the market can potentially go back down. But right now, I am still very optimistic about Bitcoin going up, regardless the fact that we are seeing this. Except this breakout occur, then we can see the market go back right down. Now, if you look at the 1-week chart, something very important as well on the 1-week chart. See, from price action on the 1-week chart right here, when the market move straight up from this area right up and then come back down, this was a bullish engulfing candle. See at this area, then from here markets move up, then we see this very candle as well that looks like a closing price reversal candle, markets move up, and then right here we see a bullish engulfing candle at this area too, which market could potentially go up because of these repeated patterns that has happened. Here market moves straight up and then it happens here again, market moves straight up. So this will not be an exception. It may be that market could potentially move up again. Now the movement may not be as smooth as what happened right here. It may take some little bit of time for it to climb up to this area before the market will break to create a new high. But right now what we are seeing in the market is that the bears are still in the market, willing to move the market to the downside. So if you see the market, especially on the 1-week chart right here, go below this very level, then that means Bitcoin could potentially come back down to this area. And if you look at this area is a very strong support on the 1-week chart at this point. This is the 40 and 41k level at this area. So take note of this very analysis. Is very important so that you can position yourself very well when you are trading. So if I go back to the 4-hour chart, what I'm looking out for on the 4-hour chart here is market to go up from this area. Reason why this is an impulsive move. So the next move in the market will be a retracement to the upside before market will potentially go back down before we'll see the next move in the market. So I'm actually looking at this very level to be broken. So I want to see the bulls break out of this level significantly to the upside. That will confirm that the bulls are now strong in the market and the bears are out of the market right now. So what we are seeing right at this point on Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is at a critical level at this very area. From this point of strong resistance right here with this very line that I draw now, then and this very point, this level is very, very important, and we want BTC to break out of this level for the next move to be very, very significant. So that is that for today's video, guys. If you've not subscribed to this channel, help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.